we're going to do 3 digits times 3 digits by splitting the problem apart. So I have 546 times 324. I can treat this problem as 3 separate problems. I can treat it as 546 times 4, 546 times 2, and 546 times 3. Now, the 546 times 2 and the 546 times 3 really aren't those things. The 546 times 2 is really 546 times 20, so I need to add a 0 because of that. And the 546 times 3 is really 546 times 300, so I add 2 zeros to that. Now, once I have it set up like this, I just go through and I do my regular 3 digits times 1 digit like I always do. 4 times 6 is 24, carry the 2. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18, carry the 1. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 1 is 21. Then I'm on to 546 times 2, which is really 546 times 20, which is why I have that 0 down there. 2 times 6 is 12. Put down the 2, carry the 1. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9, and 2 times 5 is 10. Now I'm on to 546 times 3, which is really 546 times 300, which is why I have the 2 zeros added down here. 3 times 6 is 18, carry the 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13, carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Sorry. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. So my answer to 546 times 3 is 163,800. Now I take these 3 numbers and I transfer them over to here. So 2,184. And then I transfer over the 10,920, making sure my place values line up. So I go from right to left when I write it down just to make sure that my place values all line up. And the last one, 163,800. Once again, I'm going from right to left to make sure my place values line up. 3, 6, 1. Once I get to this point, I just add these numbers up like I regularly would. 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Plus 9 is 11. 11 plus 18 is 19. Put down the 9. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. And 1 plus nothing is 1. The answer to 546 times 324 is 176,904.